In this lesson, we're going to talk about some basic data profiling tools. Now, data profiling tools are going to allow you to use either manual techniques or advanced software to start profiling your data and make sure that you're getting good data into your systems. As a data analyst, the reports we generate and the analysis we perform is only as good as the source data we take into our systems. So it's important to always spend some time profiling your data properly. Now, most of the tools you're going to use inside of your data analytics career are also going to have abilities for you to do data profiling. For example, if you're using something simple like Excel, it also includes something known as the Power Query tool. And this is actually a data profiling tool that you can use to automatically check some of your data. If you're using things like Power BI, Tableau, and others, they also contain built-in tools to help you profile your data sets as you're importing them and looking through those to make sure they make sense. For example, if you're using Power Query, this actually allows you to simply check each column and then look at them based on the information that's in them. So if I have a large column of numbers of all the test scores my students had, I can look at the minimum, the maximum, the averages, and any outliers that may exist inside of that data by looking at it using column profiling inside of Power Query. For example, I might be able to look there and quickly see that the maximum number was 153. Well, out of a score of 100%, 153 would not be a valid score. So I would know right away that my source data has some kind of an error. And this allows you to quickly see those outliers and then identify them and fix them as part of your data profiling process. Another great feature inside of Power Query is the ability for you to look at the quality of data, the distribution of data, and other things about the information in a given column of your data profile. One of the great features that you're going to find inside Power Query is the ability for it to create a histogram that actually will visualize the distribution of the values in that column, so you'll be able to see very quickly what is the most common values, what are the least common values, and what outliers might exist, such as the least common values. And this will allow you to very quickly validate and check for any errors or empty areas inside of the data set that you're trying to import.